Currently, Annapolis has 2.51 months of inventory available, which puts the area exactly in the middle of a favorable seller's market. It's Friday, June 13th, 2025. Ooh, it's Friday the 13th. What a lucky day. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Yay! Over the past 12 months, we've seen a slight increase of 0.86% in inventory. Homes are selling at 101% list to sold ratio. This means that homes are selling very close to their list price or better, confirming a strong demand in the market. Overall, homes are selling at a median 18 days. This is a clear indication of the fast-paced nature of the Annapolis real estate market right now. Let's look at what's happened since my last report for inventory activity. Active inventory fell 2.7% this week to 222 homes for sale. Another 26 properties are coming soon, which is lower by 2 from last report. 35 homes went under contract, a 14.3% dip this report, and going under contract in just 20 days. 45 homes sold for 100% list to sold ratio and in 6 days. There are 32 homes for lease at $28.75 median dollars per month. Whether you're looking to buy or sell in Annapolis, these numbers can help you make informed decisions in this competitive market. As always, feel free to reach out to me at Kinetic Realty for personalized advice and guidance. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, June 13th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.